What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about the Microsoft Surface USB 3.0 Gigabit Ethernet Adapter. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you for watching my videos. Seeing a new sub, whether it's just one or two, really means a lot, and I appreciate the support. If you do watch my videos and haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoy my videos, give it a thumbs up by clicking that like button. Alright, let's get started. Here we have the Microsoft USB 3.0 Gigabit Ethernet Adapter. If you're interested in one of these, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Alright, let's open this up. Here's the adapter. One end is the Ethernet, and the other end is the USB. It's not much to look at, but what matters is what it's capable of doing. This adapter is compatible with all Surface models that have a USB port. It gives a frame transmit rate of 1 gigabit, also an Ethernet speed that achieves 800 megabits per second for both download and upload. By having this adapter, you can instantly connect to your network via Ethernet cable. I've had this for a month or so, and I'm pretty glad that I picked this up. Now that I started streaming, running on Wi-Fi doesn't help the quality of the stream, making it look choppy. My streaming device that I use is this Surface Pro. Unlike other laptops, this doesn't have an Ethernet port. This is where this adapter comes into play. By being able to hardline it to the modem, I don't get lag and the quality of my stream is a lot more clearer. It's pretty much a simple setup. Just take it out of the box and pretty much plug and play. Here's my Surface Pro. Depending on the model Surface you have, on the side it should have a display port or a USB port. Some newer models have a USB-C port. On mine, it has a USB, so that's where I'll be connecting my adapter to. Alright, let's get this set up. I'm going to connect the USB side of the adapter to the USB port of your Surface Pro. And once you have that connected, you're going to grab your Ethernet cable and connect it to the other end of the adapter. And when you have that connected, you'll see a flashing LED light on the Ethernet side of the adapter. Right here. Also, on the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see an indicator showing that you are connected. If you don't see the LED light or the indicator on your screen, double check all your connections. And also, make sure that your Ethernet cable is connected. Alright, we're going to perform a speed test. We're going to compare being connected to Wi-Fi and also being connected to hardline using the adapter. And just to let you know that my modem is in a different part of the house. So this is our test using just Wi-Fi only. So currently we're getting 53.5 megabits per second for download, and then now for upload we're getting 9.61, and it's saying that the connection is very fast. It's not, the numbers aren't great, but let's see when we connect using the adapter. Now this is when I'm connected to the adapter. Alright, so this is pretty much a big difference compared to being on Wi-Fi. Right now, my download speed is 862.8, and my upload is 40.9. So that's way better compared to being on Wi-Fi. So if you're someone who owns a Microsoft Surface and is trying to look for another alternative to get internet connection, having an Ethernet adapter could come in handy. Just in case, if you want to pick one up, I'll leave a link in the description down below. And that pretty much wraps up the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll try to answer it to the best of my knowledge. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, click that like button. Have a Merry Christmas with your family and friends, and stay safe. Thanks once again. See you guys on the next video.